Hello everyone, welcome to Favored Educational Hub. I am Aishwarya Saxena and in this video we will talk about top 10 interview questions in Python programming. Let's deep dive into 10 important interview questions with their proper answers and explanation. This is part 1 of this video. There are going to be multiple parts with multiple important questions for your interview preparation and viva voce. Question 1. What are Python's key features? Interpreted, dynamically typed, object oriented, extensive libraries, platform independent. When we talk about interpreted, Python is an interpreted language, meaning the code is executed line by line. It is dynamically typed, that means variables do not require explicit declaration. It is object oriented, that is Python support object oriented program, that is object oriented programming OOPS concept. Extensive libraries. A vast standard library supports tasks like data manipulation, web development, and many more. It is platform independent. That means code can run on any platform with a Python interpreter. Knowing Python's feature demonstrates your understanding on its strength and versatility. Question 2. What are Python's data type? Int, float, str, bool, list, tuple, and dictionary. These are fundamental of any Python program and are often used in problem solving. Question 3. Explain Python's GIL, that is Global Interpreter Lock. The GIL ensures that only one thread executes Python bytecode at a time, even on multi-core processors. It simplifies memory management but limits multi-threading performance. This is a common question for advanced roles, highlighting Python's threading limitation. Question 4. What is the difference between deep copy and shallow copy? Shallow copy copies the object but not nested objects. If there are changes in the nested objects, it reflects in both copies. Deep copy copies the object and all its nested objects. That is, it is independent copy. This is essential for working with complex data structures. Question 5. What is Python's self keyword? The self keyword is used to represent the instance of the class in method. It must be explicitly passed to access instance variables and methods. Demonstrates your understanding of Python's object oriented programming concepts. Question 6. How is memory managed in Python? Automatic garbage collection, reference counting, and managed heap. If we talk about the automatic garbage collection, Python uses a garbage collector to free unused memory. It has reference counting, that is, an object is deleted when its reference count drops to 0. It is having the managed heap, that is, memory allocation is handled in a private heap. Memory management is crucial for writing efficient codes. Question 7. Explain Python's decorator, and it is really very important question. Decorators are functions that modify the behavior of another function or method. They are often used for logging, access control, and performance profiling. The example is as follows. Knowing decorators shows familiarity with higher order functions. Question 8. What are list comprehensions in Python? List comprehensions provide a concise way to create lists. The example is as follows. List comprehensions are essential for writing efficient and clean code. Question 9. How does Python handle exceptions? Python uses try, accept, else, and finally blocks to handle exceptions. Example is as follows. Exception handling is vital for robust code. Question 10. What is the difference between is and double equal? Is compares object identity, whether two references point to the same object. Double equal compares object value. Example is as follows. Demonstrating knowledge of identity versus equality clarifies your understanding of Python's internals. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have gained some important questions for your interview. Do not forget to subscribe and stay tuned because multiple videos are lined up in this series with multiple important questions for interview and Viva. So see you in the next video. Take care and keep learning.